In the 90s, muscle cars weren't just about raw power, they became legends. Today, some of these forgotten beasts are selling for shocking prices at auctions. Let's dive into 5 90s muscle cars that are worth way more than you think. 1993 GMC Typhoon. 1993 GMC Typhoon specs: engine, turbocharged 4.3-liter V6, transmission, 4-speed AT, power, 280 horsepower, torque, 330 lb-ft. GMC Cyclone is a muscle truck that made an enormous impact, outpacing contemporaries like the Ferrari 348 TS. Even though its Typhoon sibling wasn't quite as quick off the line and was producing greater quantities, 2,998 Cyclones versus 4,697 Typhoons, the SUV averages nearly as much as its pickup counterpart. Of the 2 years that GMC produced a Typhoon, 1993 makes for a more expensive option. The SUV averages $33,186 for 1992 and $42,406 for 1993, putting it within a few $100s of the Cyclone at $42,943. Interestingly, the most valuable Typhoon sold for more than double the most valuable Cyclone, as a 688-mile example recently closed on Bring a Trailer for $226,000.